Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use ApowerShow. First, get this program at apowershow.com/createvideo. Then you may launch it online or download it in your computer by clicking the Try It Now button. If you want to combine photos and videos to create a slideshow, simply go to MV tab, then upload the photos and videos you will be using for your slideshow. You may also click the scissors icon to adjust the duration of your uploaded video. To add an effect to your slideshow, you may select from the available themes in this tab. You may also change the background music of your video. Simply go to Music tab, then click Add Music and upload your MP3 file. To save this video in your computer, simply go to Export, then select your video size and click the Export button. You may also add a collage on your video using its split screen function. To do it, first you have to configure the settings for your video. You may start in selecting your preferred aspect ratio. Next is choosing your border's thickness and color. After that, select which frame to use. Once decided, upload your file by clicking this button. You may also add filters, adjust audio volume, and add a background music. To save your video, simply click Export, then select the size of your video and click the Export button. Aside from those functions, you may also record your screen activity, download videos, edit, and convert your video. And that's how you can use ApowerShow. Thank you for watching.